How to get refund on Disney Plus. So if you want to cancel a subscription on Disney Plus and if you want to get a refund, then what you need to do is first you need to check the eligibility. Before initiating a request or refund request, you need to review your Disney Plus refund policy to confirm that you are eligible for a refund based on your subscription type and at the time since your last payment. After that, you need to go with the official website, which is www.disneyplus.com. Once you're on the official website, you need to log into your account. Once you've logged in or once you've signed in, you need to select the profile icon, which will be in the top right. Then you need to click on Account, and under Subscription or your plans and billing, you need to select Disney Plus subscription. Click on Cancel Subscription and follow the on-screen prompts. Choose a reason if asked and confirm your subscription cancellation. After that, we need to request a refund. In the billing section, you need to look for an option to request a refund. Follow the prompts provided, which may include selecting the reason for your refund and confirming your request. After that, confirm and wait for processing. After submitting your refund request, you should receive a confirmation email. Refunds typically take a few business days to process, so keep an eye on your email for updates regarding your request. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.